Alright, in this video we'll be talking about Actively Learn. So with Actively Learn you can choose an assignment based on a current topic. So once you create an account and log into Actively Learn, you create a class and it has a class code associated with it. You can go through and select from current events. If you read through this article and you like it and would like to assign it, you click the Assign button. You can create questions that show up within the article. You can also highlight certain topics such as Iffy-Quotient and explain what it is over on the side so that students are sure to know that you wanted that pointed out. So we can take this assignment and put it into Canvas. Unfortunately, Actively Learn does not have an LTI integration, so the way that it integrates into Canvas, or the way that we can use it in Canvas, is once we assign a particular assignment to a class. I made up a class called it PRC 101. What we can do is we can get a post URL. So we select it, click next, and then it gives us a URL, which in turn we can put into an assignment. So under modules, what I've done is I created a link. So I clicked add and I added an external URL, and then I just pasted that URL there and gave it a name of elections assignment. So what does that look like on the student side? Well, a student would come into Canvas, click on the link there, Actively Learn opens up. The student then would use their own student credentials to log in here to Actively Learn. So I'm going to log in as a student. So a student would log in. So near here we see the class that we are signed up for and the assignments for that class. So a student would select the assignment and they would see that assignment. Once they go through and answer all of the questions, the instructor is sent notifications that students have been submitting assignments and that they need to grade them. The instructor would go over to Actively Learn to grade the assignments and unfortunately have to manually enter the assignment grades. But really neat idea because we get current hot topics that are relevant to the student's education and, as its name implies, actively learn material that has to do with the world around them presently. And that is Actively Learn. So if you like it, go ahead and hop in and create an account. And if you need any help, again, feel free to contact us in TELS for any additional assistance. We would love to help you get this going in your classes. That's it for now.